pipes and ducts after renovations?
We clean accessible air vents, exhaust fans, and surface-level duct covers as part of your after-renovation clean, a crucial step in removing fine airborne dust that has settled inside ceiling vents and return air grills. During renovations, particles from plaster, sanding, and cutting often get drawn into vents and redistributed around the home, which can aggravate asthma or allergies, create constant mystery dust even after surface cleaning, reduce air quality for your family and pets. Our team uses HEPA filter vacuums and extension tools to gently remove dust from air conditioning return vents, wall and ceiling duct grills, bathroom exhaust fans, ceiling fan blades, and light fittings. For deep duct cleaning, we can refer you to a trusted HVAC specialist, but we handle all general vent cleaning as part of our detailed surface dust removal.